If you want to create a scheduled meeting on GoToMeeting, you will need to have an account. So check the description if you wish to see how to sign up and sign in into your account on the Android device. To create a scheduled meeting on GoToMeetings on Android, just tap on this option, Calendar button. Here, write a name for your meeting. On the next option, you can select a one-time meeting or recurring meeting. Let's choose a one-time meeting now. You can also specify the countries where the participants are located. Also, if you wish to add this meeting to the calendar, leave this option checked. Now, tap on the Done button from the top. The app will add the meeting to your calendar. Let's get back to the app. You see, you have an upcoming meeting that we created. Tap on the meeting to start it. Meeting has started. If you wish to see the option from the meeting, check the description of the video. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.